Okay, here we are. I'm going to try to do the, see if I should do the let statement or subscripts. Let's go with subscripts. New. Okay. Now, I'm going to do it the hard way first. 10 print type 5 things. Simple enough. 20 input A $, 30 input B $. Now, a variable that's a word has to have a $sign behind it, called a string variable. That's a string is an array of characters, or one character. That's the Commodore 64 way. Very, very outdated, very, very old. Now, this is the hard way first. Best way to learn. You start with the hardest possible way to learn, and you go your way down to easy. Okay, type 5 things. Run. Okay. Kirk is cool now yet. And there you go. Let's say you want to change it to 5. No, not 5. It is 5. Change it to 15 or 57 or something like that. Input $, HIJKLMP, all the way down to Z $. And when you run out of 26 letters, you'd have to go something like AA $, or something like that. It gets very confusing. So let's erase everything after a $. Type 5 things. We're going to do 20 dimension statement. A $5. This line 20 input a $. So we're setting it to 5. Now 34 a equals 1, 2, 5. This is a subscript. 40 input a $, a subscript a, next a. So you clear 5 entries to have a $, subscript 2, subscript 3, subscript 4, subscript 5. They're all a $, but there's 5 facets to it. So you set the count. You take a $, for that particular value, then you go to the next one, next a. Run. Type in 5 things. Kirk is not cool always. Now this gets a little confusing or tedious, because if I want to change it to 7, I have to change it right here. I have to change it right here, and I have here. And it should work. Kirk is cool only on Mondays now. There you go. So you want to get a little fancy. You start out with 5, let x equal 7. X is a variable. Let's set it equal to 7. Type this should work. X type 7 things. Kirk, hey, hello, water, ladder, money. And there you go. So if you want to change your list to 10 or 25, you change it just one place right here, and there you go. Does 25. Now, this is called making software contortable or malleable, shapeable, like Silly Putty. You write the variable in multiple places, like I have X, like you see X right here in 4 different places. X equals 25, X things, $, X, and 1 to X. So I only have to change it in one place. This is a big concept in programming. Make everything dependent on variables, and if you want to change a value, use only, and everything else follows. Because it'd be much too tedious, torturesome to, here's such a word as torturesome, cumbersome, to change a value in 15 or 100 places in a huge program. Very big concept in programming. So I introduced the let statement, I introduced the dim statement, and the concept of making software malleable.